Your office building. It's more than just a building. This is where you do the work you love. This is where you hatch big ideas and create things that the world needs. But when you own a building, there are so many variables, so many things that could go wrong. Consider this. Most building owners operate from the break-fix playbook. Something breaks and then an HVAC service company comes out to fix it. Hopefully, the service company fixes the problem. Otherwise, they'll be back to work on your system again. And each visit costs you money. This leads to a conflict of interest, where the contractor is rewarded when your system fails. Now, getting rewarded for failure doesn't make much sense to us, so we've eliminated this conflict of interest by creating partnerships based on shared values. Instead of waiting for something to go wrong, we're rewarded for extending the lifespan of your HVAC system. At Questech, we give you peace of mind through the Questech Guarantee Program. With this innovative program, we provide end-to-end service for one price. Our program includes predictive maintenance, preventative maintenance, emergency calls and repairs, and we'll replace failed components at no additional charge. We keep your HVAC system running at peak efficiency, which improves building comfort, increases equipment reliability, and gives you peace of mind when it comes to budgeting. We know that you've got bigger things to focus on, so leave your HVAC needs to us. Get money back in your pocket with our Questech Guarantee Program. Visit questtech.us to schedule an appointment.